Umitrang ba kejala konrad ke sangma ulah takran kela ba kitu kibriu ke bawo dong wo nia ya u dak bakeno bola pen kenya ko kondon covid-19 kidei kibriu ke bam donkam don jam banle namar bola bot ranti ya baroh ki kyndon.
I don't know what the issue with this is. Well, while we're talking of border issues and while we're talking of such important aspects like 50 years, it is really sad to see that people are finding such petty issues to look at. I as Chief Minister have got huge responsibilities and work to do, and those are works that need to be done. Some things are very important to be done, but I have been very clear. I have always followed protocols. I have been somebody who has always been careful. I was somebody who on the 21st of January, knowing that I was not feeling well, I did not go in spite of not actually testing positive. If I really wanted to go, I could have gone and tested later on and taken advantage of the situation, but I did not. So therefore, I think for anybody to question my integrity and my entire commitment to this entire issue is quite sad. And I think these people have nothing better to do, those who are questioning like that, and are missing the point that there's a larger picture. I have been responsible in my own way in which I have behaved in the last few days. So therefore, I have nothing to say.